Hello and welcome to Procure to Pay cycle module. So this module is an end-to-end business process. In this module, we will learn how to run the procurement process from A to Z, from order initiation until issuing the purchase order to the supplier. You will also learn how to manage the complete cycle before issuing the purchase order, while processing the PO and after sharing the PO with the winner bidder. So the last thing you will learn is the procurement role as a procurement professional running this process, and what is the added value that you will add to your company when you run such a process more professionally. So in this module, we will discuss what is a procure to pay cycle, the order initiation. We are talking about purchase requisition or request to purchase, the order approval cycle, order processing, quotation solicitation when you are bringing quotations from suppliers. We will get to learn the Rfx types, the most well-known ones, the RFI, request for information, the RFQ, request for quotation, and RFP, request for proposal. Then we will talk about processing the purchase order and a contract if it's applicable. Then the sharing of the purchase order with the winning bidder and the stakeholders in your company. The follow-up process, which is very important after the PO issuance process that you need to master. This is where you show how professional you are running the procurement function. You will follow up with the supplier for delivery, with the warehouse for receiving the products, with the finance team for payment, with the project management team if there's a project involved. Now, what is the procurement team's role in running this process? And finally, the mindset of the early procurement involvement, and how can you make your company aware of such an approach that will add value by being involved from the start, managing the requester's request before they even raise a request on the system to buy a service or product. Finally, we will have a summary of these points, and at the end of the module, this is 2 hours module, but at the end of the day, you will be aware of the knowledge and skill set that will help you master the procure to pay cycle and run the process most efficiently and effectively. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.